Well, folks, good morning. It's me and Ray coming at you today from Palomar Mountain. We're out. What are we doing, man?
Shooting photos, still frames.
What's that mean? People don't look at
just
photos
one
anymore.
at a time.
All they do is watch video. You should be shooting video right now.
I don't know why I'm even here. I'm leaving.
Like Ray said, we're doing some pics. We did some rainy, foggy pics on the GSX-1000GT Plus. I forgot to vlog at that time. And now we're riding my Suzuki GSX-8TT Neo Sports Cafe bike. How are we looking out there? Are we getting the bangers? Maybe you should be taking photos of that guy.
I should be. You should have your job.
Ray just got a new camera for all you camera files out there. So what is this thing?
A1 Mark II.
A1 Mark II. And what's this product designed for?
Doing everything the best.
I like it. I like it. Yep, that's how we roll, folks. Only the best technology. Everything we do, only the best. All right, man, you ready to go up top and get some more bangers?
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, folks, now we're in this secret spot right here. I really like this spot because of the curvature of the road. Look at that. You can also get a photo back there. Look at that nice S. Nice sweeping bends are what it's all about in photography. Ray's also going to hide up here in the woods. He's got a secret wood spot that he likes. I think he's back there somewhere. Where the heck is he? But this is always a good secret wood spot where you shoot where the part of the tree is kind of in the foreground, and that gives you some real good fartsy images. All right, folks, it's time to saddle up and do some more content making because everyone likes to stare at their phones all day and look at cool bikes. Let's go. Good red button pushing today.
We did it.
You still know how to work that button.
There's a couple in focus, so I think we're good.
Well, everyone, that wraps up today's vlog. Just a quick one. We did a nice rainy, foggy weather photo shoot on the GSX-S Plus, and then some sport riding on this GSX-8TT. This thing's a heck of a bike. Dad, did I do okay?
You did all right.
Scale 1 to 10.
Proud of you.
Scale 1 to 10. Negative numbers included.
2.5. F plus.
F plus, says Ray. Well, everyone, give this video a thumbs up if you like riding Suzuki. Sound off in the comments section. We'll see you in the next episode.